The e-learning center at Prince Sultan University presents this tutorial on how to import a PowerPoint file into StarBoard software. Importing a PowerPoint file into the interactive board provides you with the ability to use the rich functionality of StarBoard software while presenting your PowerPoint slides. To import a PowerPoint file, begin by clicking on File from the main menu. Then, select Open. A new window will appear, allowing you to locate and select your PowerPoint file. Even after importing the file, you will have continued access to the StarBoard toolbar. After importing the file, you can perform various actions with many built-in tools. These actions and tools include 1. Navigating between slides using the left and right arrows. 2. Utilizing controls such as laser pointer, built-in pen, highlighter, and eraser. 3. Viewing all slides of your presentation on the interactive board. To go back, simply click the back arrow located on the top left of the screen. 4. Using the zoom feature to focus on specific sections of your presentation. To zoom in, click on the screen, move the cursor to select your desired location, and click again to exit zoom. To exit the PowerPoint presentation and return to the main board, click on the menu in the StarBoard toolbar. From there, choose Topic, then you can select Whiteboard to return to the main board. Thank you for watching, and if you need any further support, contact us through the following mediums.